Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. No amount of experimentation can ever prove me right. A single experiment can prove me wrong. It's not that I'm so smart, it's just that I stay with problems longer. Logic will get you from A to B, imagination will take you everywhere. We can't solve problems by using the same kind of thinking we used when we created them. I know not with what weapons World War III will be fought, but World War IV will be fought with sticks and stones. If people are good only because they fear punishment and hope for reward, then we are a sorry lot indeed. The gift of fantasy has meant more to me than my talent for absorbing positive knowledge. The value of a man should be seen in what he gives and not in what he is able to receive. There are two ways to live. You can live as if nothing is a miracle. You can live as if everything is a miracle. Without deep reflection, one knows from daily life that one exists for other people. If you are out to describe the truth, leave elegance to the tailor. He who can no longer pause to wonder and stand wrapped in awe is as good as dead. His eyes are closed. Everything should be made as simple as possible, but not simpler. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. It is the supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge.